From the moment they're born, boys and girls have some noticeable differences. These differences are not just physical, but also biological and hormonal. Beyond the obvious, boys tend to be a bit longer and heavier. This trend continues as they grow, with boys generally having a higher muscle mass. This difference becomes more pronounced as they grow older, especially during puberty. During this time, boys and girls experience rapid changes in their bodies. But why is this? Why do girls generally weigh less than boys? The reasons are rooted in our biology and the roles of different hormones. The answer lies in a fascinating interplay of biology, hormones, and development. Hormones like testosterone and estrogen play crucial roles in shaping our bodies. While every individual is unique, there are some general patterns we can observe. These patterns help us understand the broader picture of human development. These patterns help us understand the amazing ways in which male and female bodies develop. For instance, males often develop more muscle mass, while females may have higher body fat percentages. It's important to remember that these differences are perfectly natural. They are part of what makes each gender unique and special. They're part of what makes us male and female. Our DNA carries the blueprint for these differences. Understanding these differences helps us appreciate the unique characteristics of both genders. It allows us to celebrate the diversity and complexity of human development. Hormones act like tiny messengers in our bodies, controlling a wide range of functions, including growth, development, metabolism, and even mood regulation. During childhood, boys and girls produce similar levels of hormones, which help in maintaining their growth and overall health. However, everything changes when puberty hits, marking the beginning of a new phase in their lives. Puberty signals the start of significant hormonal shifts, which are essential for sexual maturation and other bodily changes. This is when the differences between male and female bodies become more pronounced, leading to the development of secondary sexual characteristics. For girls, puberty usually begins between the ages of 8 and 13, often marked by the onset of menstruation and breast development. For boys, it typically starts a bit later, around ages 9 to 14, with noticeable changes like voice deepening and increased muscle mass. These hormonal changes are what drive the physical transformations we associate with puberty, such as growth spurts and changes in body composition. They're responsible for the development of adult features and play a crucial role in determining body size, composition, and overall physical development. Estrogen is often referred to as the female hormone. While both boys and girls produce estrogen, girls produce it in much larger amounts, especially during puberty. Estrogen plays a key role in the development of female sexual characteristics, such as breast growth and the start of menstruation. It also influences how fat is distributed in a woman's body. Estrogen encourages fat storage in the hips, buttocks, and thighs, contributing to the characteristic female body shape. This distribution of fat is essential for childbearing and other reproductive functions. Section 4: Testosterone, building the male physique. Testosterone is often called the male hormone. Like estrogen, it's present in both sexes, but boys produce significantly more, particularly during puberty. Testosterone is the driving force behind the development of male sexual characteristics, including the deepening of the voice, growth of facial and body hair, and increased muscle mass. This surge in testosterone during puberty leads to a significant increase in bone density and muscle mass in boys. It's why boys tend to be taller and have broader shoulders compared to girls. Section 5: Muscle and fat, where it all lands. The distribution of muscle and fat also differs between boys and girls. This difference is largely influenced by the actions of estrogen and testosterone during puberty. As mentioned earlier, estrogen promotes fat storage in the hips, buttocks, and thighs in females, contributing to a lower center of gravity. This distribution of weight is advantageous for balance and stability. Testosterone, on the other hand, encourages muscle growth throughout the body in males, particularly in the upper body. This results in greater upper body strength and a more muscular physique. Section 6: It's not just about size, celebrating our differences. In this chapter, we delve deeper into understanding the beauty of our unique traits. We've explored the key factors that contribute to weight differences between boys and girls, such as muscle mass and body composition. While hormones play a significant role in shaping our bodies and influencing our growth, it's important to remember that genetics, nutrition, and overall health also contribute to individual variations. These factors work together to create the unique individuals we are. Understanding these differences is not about making comparisons or judgments. Instead, it's about recognizing and valuing the diversity that exists among us. It's about appreciating the unique ways in which male and female bodies are designed. Every individual is unique with their own strengths and characteristics. Our differences are what make us special and contribute to the rich tapestry of human life. Let's celebrate the diversity of human bodies, acknowledging the beauty in our variations, and appreciate the incredible ways in which we grow and develop, both physically and emotionally, throughout our lives.